Today, we'll be talking about a pre-sale that is making massive waves with huge promises in the crypto space. Today is all about the BTC Bull Token because this is a token that has a lot of potential, and as Bitcoin facilitates this next wave of the bull run, it could be something that this token actually thrives from. So this is a pre-sale that's raised over $3 million. Let's jump into this, not financial advice. Let's dive into the video. So this is the BTC Bull Token, and this is positioned as basically the ultimate Bitcoin meme coin. So essentially what this does is it gives out rewards based on the Bitcoin price. So as Bitcoin reaches that 100K, 200K, 300K levels, they're actually giving away a bunch of stuff here with this token. They're actually burning the token at every other milestone, and they're also going to be doing airdrops at every other milestone as well. This is going to be huge. Okay, they're doing BTC airdrops and they're doing BTC Bull airdrops when Bitcoin reaches 250K. And before that, obviously Bitcoin reached 100K and they initiated their pre-sale. Now, how much has this pre-sale raised? It's actually raised $3.2 million so far, and there's constant price increases. So the earlier you get in on something like this, obviously the people that get in later are essentially going to be pumping your bags and bringing that price higher via paying more. So this is going to be something that's great. If you do want to get involved, super easy to do so. You can buy with crypto, where you just connect your wallet, sign the transaction, you're good to go, or you can buy with card here. And that's something that's fantastic. Now, when we're talking about their audit here, guys, it's always important to see if a pre-sale is audited. You can see that, yes, they have passed with flying colors, with one minor issue being that, yes, it is a pre-sale, so the contract will not be live yet. But besides that, this is a token with fantastic narrative. Okay, they're getting a lot of press coverage as well from places like Crypto News, News BTC, Coinpedia, and Crypto Politician. And these are big PR news outlets, so definitely something you want to be having on your radar. Another thing that's great about this is you're actually going to get passive BTC rewards from this project. And they also have a staking system, if we do go up to their staking system here, right, all the way up till January 2027, in which, yes, you can get 132% APY simply by staking the token. So the easy and most common sense thing to do here is obviously buy the token, stake it, and then just let those rewards pile up. If we're talking about tokenomics here, guys, you can see that, yes, they have 15% for the Bull Fund. We have the Milestone Burn Fund here at 15%, and we have the BTC Bull Airdrop at 10% here. As well as that, we have staking distribution at 10%, exchange liquidity at 10%, which will essentially just keep the price stable from big market dumps, and they've got 40% for PR and marketing. Now, this is a big number for PR and marketing, but I do think that is the only way you can get a coin out there in such big diluted market that the crypto market is in right now. So having all of that supply ready to give to exchanges, to give to people that can actually promote the coin, it's going to be something that does help the coin over the long run, and you're just going to help that bonus distribution and decentralization for your token. So in summary here, guys, definitely check out BTC Bull Token. Again, they're doing massive airdrops and token burns depending on Bitcoin's price. With Bitcoin having a lot of benefit from the US administration right now, I do think we do hit those prices sooner rather than later, and getting in on a token like this that promises rewards based on those prices, I do think is a good sign. That, with the burning to deflate the supply and actually raise the price even more, this is actually a pretty good pre-sale opportunity. That's going to be it for me. Check this one out in the description, and I will see you in the next one.